ब्यूटीफुल,
Beautiful.
बहुत सुंदर. एंड विनीत जी, इट्स अ ट्रीट फॉर मी सिंस ऑलमोस्ट आई वाज 11 इयर्स, तब से मेरा ये फेवरेट है ये गाना.
Even
बहुत.
for me
Yours
also.
was, I've unmuted everyone. You all can ask like anything or share anything.
Before we complete the story, I just wanted to add one more message here that God gives. भगवान ने जाते जाते प्रहलाद को कहा कि अब तुम यहाँ राज्य करो, हृदय में मुझे हमेशा याद करो, और मेरी कथाएं जो तुम्हें प्रिय है उनको बार बार सुनते रहो, और निष्काम भाव से कर्म करना. जब कोई भी एक्शन करो तो उसमें अपने लिए कुछ मांग मत रख के जियो, और जो तुम्हें इस रास्ते पे चलते हुए जो भोग भोगोगे उनसे तुम्हारी सारी पुण्य संस्कार मिट जाएंगे, और जो निष्काम भाव से मेरी आराधना करते हुए जो तुम कर्म मुझको समर्पित करते जाओगे उनसे सारे पाप धुल जाएंगे. तो पूरे जीवन का मूल मंत्र मिल जाता है हमें इस शिक्षा से. हमें याद रखना है, केवल क्या याद रखना है? प्रभु को स्मरण करना, हृदय में प्रभु को ही जगह देना, प्रभु की लीलाएं सुनना. प्रभु की कहानियां सुनते सुनते कैसे मन धुल जाता है पता ही नहीं चलता हमें. और काम जो जितने भी एक्शंस हैं, with a very dispassionate heart offered again to the divine. This is all that we need to do. After that, God has to take care of everything for us. In any case, we can be free. We can just be free right now. So now, as Savita ji is saying,
Yeah, Simran. Yeah, I'm here. Like we have time. We have time 10 minutes more, and if somebody wants to ask somebody, क्योंकि अभी हम बहुत दिन का वो gap ले रहे हैं, and we'll all miss it very much. हर दिन हमें 2 बजे से ये रहता है कि भागवतम सुनना है. In fact, my course starts at 4:15. Even then, I want to listen it to full. So beautiful. So
and anybody wants to share anything, Savita ji, they can do some sharing.
That is what you can share also, and you can ask any question also. अपने feelings भी share कर सकते हैं. You all can unmute yourself.
We will now start after Gurudev's discourses are complete on Narad Bhakti Sutras. On 15th June, I think the courses will be complete. So you will get a message either on 16th or 17th, depending on what day it is. We will resume these sessions again.
So all of you can share about your experience. Yeah, so बहुत सारे लोग हैं. And I know you all have been very regular, most of you, absolutely. That means like it really means a lot to all of us. Why don't we share something, and so that it by sharing it becomes more solidified. मतलब वो और concrete हो जाता है जो हमारा experience होता है. Reva ji, you want to say something? Reva ji has always been there with so many of Mamta ji's discourses and satsangs. रेवा जी, आप अनम्यूट कर लीजिए. रेवा जी can't. Why can't I?
Yeah, it's unmute now. Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear.
So it's a beautiful journey. जैसा आपने कहा है, साथ भागवतम जो कहते हैं ना कि डूब जाना उसमें उस रस में डूब जाना. तो ये बहुत अच्छा एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि हम लोग सब ऑनलाइन जुड़ गए हैं और हमारे घरों में भागवतम हो रही है. We are so lucky, very fortunate, and it's the same feeling as if Mamta ji is just in front of us, sitting and there, and sharing wonderful and beautiful stories with us, and the knowledge that is flowing. It is so natural with Mamta ji that the knowledge just flows, and it touches the heart. So very wonderful experience, Mamta ji, once again, and and we are all blessed to have you with us. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. बस टाइम होते ही लगता है कि बस अब बैठ जाओ और सुनो. Wonderful knowledge.
Ashima ji, would you like to say something? Radhika ji, Rajika ji, and all everyone, like all of you are so like.
I want to say something.
Yes.
So ममता जी, जब दिल्ली में भी आपके साथ शविना जी के घर में मिलना हुआ था तो बहुत अच्छा लगा था. बट मेरे को ना शुरू में मैंने अपनी मॉम को स्टार्ट करता था जूम पे, एंड आई वुड जस्ट काइंड ऑफ स्टार्ट द कंप्यूटर एंड लीव इट. And then I got to know, Mamta ji said, she asked for me one day कि अच्छा विनीत है, and अगर विनीत गा सके तो. That day I was not there. So then my mom told me, ऐसे वो तो पूछ रही थी, मेरे को अनम्यूट करना नहीं आया, तो तू अब अगली बार आ जा एंड गाना गा दे. तो मैंने कहा ऐसे नहीं हो सकता कि मैं आगे गवैया की तरह गाना शुरू कर दूं. पहले ममता जी के उसमें जाने के लिए let me absorb the भाव. And I can't tell you, मतलब for me आपके साथ just जुड़ना and भागवतम सुनना on Zoom, मतलब मेरे ख्याल से Zoom के भी 4 चांद लग गए. मतलब it's the best utilization of Zoom across all webinars, all business these things. ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि आप हमारे सामने साक्षात नहीं है. एंड मेरे को एक भी भजन गा के मतलब जो भाव ममता जी के भागवतम में आता है ना, वो मैं सेम भजन किसी को फोन पे सुना दूं ना तो आधा भी अच्छा साउंड नहीं करता. So I want to thank everyone, and I want to thank Mamta ji and Savita ji for the fact that this has been such a beautiful journey. And Mamta ji, it's बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मतलब आप प्लीज जल्दी से शुरू करना, नारद भक्ति सूत्र के बाद ज्यादा लंबा गैप ना हो जाए.
नहीं.
And we have to like in queue everything that you have been telling. I've been writing, and every day I take something which I keep on remembering every whole day. So आज का भी आपने last में बता ही दिया ना. So we all can go through, and I'll be sending some recordings. तो थोड़ा सा editing के लिए वो रुका हुआ है. And I think with Rajika ji's help, with Ashima ji's help, we'll do it. Rajika ji, would you say something?
Yeah.
Jaya ji.
I was in Kolkata. Jai Gurudev, Mamta ji, Ashima ji, everybody. I was in Kolkata yesterday, and I was there in the entire period of lockdown. Yesterday, the flights got resumed from Kolkata, and I traveled to Assam, Dibrugarh. From there, around 3:30 to 4 p.m., I was in the car traveling to my home, and I heard the Bhagavatam. Today, I am in the quarantine, so I'm hearing the Bhagavatam. Before the Bhagavatam, I went for my COVID test, and it is also peaceful, no fear, no anxiety, nothing. It is so beautiful, and all because of you all and Guruji. It's very wonderful. Thank you so much.
I think I can invite Rajika ji, Radhika ji, and Ashwin, everybody, so many. Sarita ji.
I'd like to share that this is not the first time I'm hearing this, but every time I sit in Mamta ji's sessions, I just feel that it's all new. It just seems brand new. Every time bhakti, you feel just drenched in it. And thank you so much, Mamta ji, for making this time for all of us to hear it, and especially in the lockdown. Apart from Guruji's meditations, this is something we all take great delight in. So thanks a lot. Really enjoy it. And I just want to encourage everybody that each time it happens, please keep coming back and attending these sessions. Each time you will learn something new. It'll actually not seem like हाँ ये मुझे पता है, ये मैंने सुना हुआ है. It just seems new every single time. So please attend it again and again.
So true.
Definitely. And I just want to say thank you, Mamta ji and Savita ji, because I heard Mamta ji some years ago at Ashima ji's house. Radhika told me about it and I had gone there. And it was the most beautiful thing. I remember just crying throughout the whole Ramayana. That time it was a Ramayana. And I'd been trying so hard. I said, we have to do something in Kuala Lumpur with her. And wo hua hi nahi. And this was like a gift given to us. Guruji has given us so many gifts during this lockdown. I can't tell you. Every single day. Thank you so much.
So we will meet.
थैंक यू ममता जी, सविता दी, दोनों को थैंक यू. मैं तो कभी सोची नहीं थी कि घर में भागवतम भी होगी और हम सुनेंगे. ममता जी के थ्रू हर किसी के घर में ये भागवतम हो रहा है.
जय गुरुदेव.
जय गुरुदेव.
तो मैं ममता जी से कल बात कर रही हूँ. मैं कल ममता जी से कह रही थी कि जब भी मैंने भागवतम शब्द सुना, मेरे लिए भागवतम was just a series of stories. I never gave it importance. तो ये जो COVID-19 में लॉकडाउन हुआ, I had time, so for the first time I said, चलो let me listen to Bhagavatam. And when I heard Mamta ji speaking, I said, wow, this is so beautiful. So beautifully she relates them to the real life situations and relates it to Guruji's knowledge. So it was a different dimension altogether I've experienced. So thank you, Mamta ji, for making me Bhagavatam.
Thank you. Thank you.
खुद के ऊपर ऐसा लग रहा है कि how could I think Bhagavatam is so small. I mean, मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि बचपन से हम सिर्फ स्टोरी सुनते थे भागवतम की, किसी ने रिलेट नहीं किया कभी. Because you related, so I realized that it is so powerful and it kindles such a beautiful feeling of divine love and devotion, and it makes you feel so complete. Thank you, Mamta.
Just one question. In the message it says 3:30, which is 6 o'clock here. But when I tune in at 6 o'clock, it's already on. So does it start before 3:30?
Sometimes, maybe not really.
Okay.
We start at 30, no? Savita ji?
We start at 3:20, and by 3:20, we expect like Mamta ji's discourse. Before that, we do some chanting bhajan. So 3:20, I expect people to start logging in so that we start at 3:30.
Okay, because I was in like 2 minutes before 6, but it's 6 o'clock here. It was already on. Anyway, I'll just do it earlier. Thank you.
Okay, Savita ji, thank you so much for this opportunity.
I am only grateful and honored, Mamta ji, and also आपने
सविता जी, ममता जी,
सबके घर को आश्रम बना दिया है.
Yeah, that is true. ये हमारे सारे घर आश्रम हो गए. और जो हमारा एक बहुत ब्यूटीफुल जो एक टीम थी, उसको वापस मैं देख पा रही हूँ. So nice. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है.
And I have to apologize to everyone. Can I end the meeting because my participants
Yes.
Please. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
जय गुरुदेव.
जय गुरुदेव.
जय गुरुदेव.
जय गुरुदेव.
फुल भरता नहीं है, but still, can't help it.
जय गुरुदेव. जय गुरुदेव. ममता जी, जय गुरुदेव.
Thank you, Mamta ji.
जय गुरुदेव.